Monarch Butterfly. Monarch Butterfly? Monarch Butterfly. An orange and black migratory butterfly. Swallowtail Butterfly. Swallowtail Butterfly? Swallowtail Butterfly. A large butterfly with tail-like hindwings. Painted Lady Butterfly. Painted Lady Butterfly? Painted Lady Butterfly. A widespread orange and black butterfly. Red Admiral Butterfly. Red Admiral Butterfly? Red Admiral Butterfly. A dark butterfly with vivid red wing bands. Peacock Butterfly. Peacock Butterfly? Peacock Butterfly. A colorful butterfly with large eye spots. Orange Tip Butterfly. Orange Tip Butterfly? Orange Tip Butterfly. A white butterfly with orange wingtips. Brimstone Butterfly. Brimstone Butterfly? Brimstone Butterfly. A pale yellow-green butterfly. Butterfly. Butterfly? Butterfly. A butterfly with a white comma-shaped mark. Speckled wood butterfly. Speckled wood butterfly? Speckled wood butterfly. A brown woodland butterfly with cream spots. Small tortoiseshell butterfly. Small tortoiseshell butterfly? Small tortoiseshell butterfly. An orange butterfly with intricately patterned wings. Purple emperor butterfly. Purple emperor butterfly? Purple emperor butterfly. A large woodland butterfly with a purple sheen. Holly blue butterfly. Holly blue butterfly? Holly blue butterfly. A small butterfly with pale blue wings. Clouded yellow butterfly. Clouded yellow butterfly? Clouded yellow butterfly. A fast-flying yellow butterfly. Common Buckeye butterfly. Common Buckeye butterfly? Common Buckeye butterfly. A brown butterfly with prominent eye spots. Zebra Longwing butterfly. Zebra Longwing butterfly? Zebra Longwing butterfly. A long-winged butterfly with zebra-like stripes. Question mark butterfly. Question mark butterfly? Question mark butterfly. A butterfly named for a punctuation-shaped marking. Cabbage white butterfly. Cabbage white butterfly? Cabbage white butterfly. A common white butterfly associated with cabbage plants. Owl butterfly. Owl butterfly? Owl butterfly. A large butterfly with owl-like eye spots.